In the grand arena of existence, where every dawn brings a new challenge and every dusk tallies the score, life unfolds not as a random chaos, but as an intricate game. A game with unwritten rules, hidden pitfalls, and rewards for those cunning enough to seize them. But what if I told you there's a secret rulebook? A timeless manual penned by a master strategist who saw through the veil of morality to the raw mechanics of power. Niccolo Machiavelli, the Renaissance thinker whose name became synonymous with ruthless ambition, didn't just observe the game, he hacked it. In The Prince, his infamous treatise, Machiavelli laid bare the strategies that princes and paupers alike could use to conquer fortunes, outmaneuver rivals, and bend reality to their will. Welcome to Life is Just a Game. Here's how to hack it. This isn't your feel-good self-help spiel. No affirmations, no vision boards. We're diving into the cold, calculated wisdom of Machiavelli, applying his principles to modern life, your career, relationships, finances, and personal empire. You'll learn to treat every interaction as a strategic move, every setback as a feint, and every goal as a conquest. By the end, you'll see life not as a burden to endure, but a board to dominate. But remember, hacking the game means playing dirty when needed. As Machiavelli warned, it is necessary for a prince wishing to hold his own to know how to do wrong. Are you ready to level up? Let's begin. Hack 31. Understand the board. Master human nature. First rule of any game, know the terrain. In life, the board isn't made of squares or cards, it's woven from human desires, fears, and frailties. Machiavelli was a keen observer of this. He wrote in The Prince that men are ungrateful, fickle, false, cowardly, covetous, driven by self-interest above all. To hack life, you must accept this truth without illusion. Pretending people are inherently good is like entering a chess match thinking pawns will spare you out of kindness. They'll advance if it suits them. In modern terms, think of your workplace as a royal court. Your boss isn't your mentor, they're a player safeguarding their throne. Colleagues aren't friends, they're potential allies or threats. Hack this by studying motivations. Use subtle questions to uncover what drives people: money, status, security. Once you know, you can predict moves. For instance, if a co-worker craves recognition, feed it strategically. Praise them publicly to build loyalty, then leverage that bond for favors. A real-world example: Steve Jobs, the ultimate Machiavellian hacker. He understood human nature's hunger for belonging and innovation. At Apple, he manipulated teams by pitting them against each other, fostering rivalry to spur creativity. It wasn't pretty, but it birthed the iPhone. Quote from Machiavelli: "Men are so simple and so much inclined to obey immediate needs that a deceiver will never lack victims for his deceptions." Hack tip: keep a player dossier, mentally or in notes. Track what makes people tick. In negotiations, like salary talks, appeal to your boss's fear of losing talent rather than your need for fairness. Life's game rewards the perceptive, not the naive. Expanding on this, consider social dynamics. In relationships, people often mask their true selves with charm, but Machiavelli advises peeling back layers. Everyone sees what you appear to be, few experience what you really are. Date with strategy. Observe actions over words. Does your partner invest time or just compliments? Hack by mirroring their energy. Give enough to hook, but withhold to maintain power. In friendships, ally with those who elevate your game, not drain it. Cut ties with energy vampires subtly, without burning bridges, as Machiavelli cautioned against unnecessary enemies. This hack alone shifts your mindset from victim to victor. No more wondering why promotions pass you by or deals fall through. You see the board, anticipate moves, and position yourself advantageously. Word count so far, approximately 550. Tamjuan, Hack Server 2, craft your avatar, appearance over reality. In video games, your avatar is customizable, strong, agile, charismatic. In life's game, your avatar is your public persona, and Machiavelli was the OG character builder. He stressed that princes must appear merciful, faithful, humane, upright, religious, even if they're not. The key: flexibility. Be a chameleon, virtuous when watched, ruthless when required. Modern hack. In the age of LinkedIn and Instagram, your online presence is your armor. Curate it meticulously. Post successes, network with influencers, but keep vulnerabilities hidden. At work, appear indispensable. Volunteer for visible projects. Credit team wins to build alliances. But behind the scenes, analyze data to undermine competitors subtly, like accidentally highlighting their flaws in reports. Take Elon Musk as a case study. He appears visionary and eccentric, tweeting boldly to rally followers. But it's calculated. Musk uses this persona to manipulate markets, as seen with Tesla stock swings. Machiavelli would approve. A prince should appear merciful, faithful, kind, religious, upright, but should be flexible enough to make use of the opposite qualities when it is necessary. In personal life, hack dating apps by crafting a profile that signals value, adventure photos for excitement, book quotes for intellect. But test the waters. Reveal depths gradually to avoid early rejection. In family dynamics, appear the dutiful child while pursuing your ambitions quietly. If parents push a safe career, nod agreeably while building your side hustle. Beware the pitfall. Overfaking leads to burnout. Machiavelli warned against being caught in lies, so ground your avatar in partial truth. Practice in mirrors. Rehearse smiles, handshakes. Over time, this hack turns you into a social engineer, winning without brute force. Extend to health. Appear disciplined, gym selfies, to motivate yourself and inspire envy-driven alliances. This strategy isn't deceit, it's survival. In a game where perception is reality, why play naked? Word count, approximately 950. Settings. Make the background music ambient use only generated clips. Use a male young British voice for the narrator. Hack number 3. Build your alliance network. Friends close, enemies closer. No game is solo, alliances win wars. Machiavelli advised princes to cultivate supporters while neutralizing foes. It is better to be feared than loved if you cannot be both, but avoid hatred. Keep enemies viable for future use. Hack in career. Network like a spider weaving webs. Attend events not for fun, but intel. Identify power players. Offer value first. A tip, introduction to indebt them. In office politics, ally with rising stars. If a boss falters, position a successor without overt betrayal. Example. Oprah Winfrey hacked media by building an empire of alliances, celebrities, experts, audiences. She appears loving, but strategically chooses partners who amplify her brand. Machiavelli quote, "The first method for estimating the intelligence of a ruler is to look at the men he has around him." In relationships, treat romance as alliance building. Choose partners who complement strengths, ambitious if you're creative, stable if you're risky, but monitor loyalty. Machiavelli said men change with fortunes. If betrayal looms, exit gracefully, preserving networks. For enemies, don't destroy, manage. If a rival spreads rumors, counter with superior performance, turning their attack into your spotlight. In business, poach their clients subtly through better offers. Hack tip. Use CRM apps for personal networks, track birthdays, interests. Send tailored messages to maintain bonds. In group settings like parties, observe dynamics, who leads, who follows, and align accordingly. This hack multiplies your power exponentially. Alone, you're a pawn. Networked, a king. Word count, approximately 1350. Hack number 4. Master the art of manipulation. Ends justify means. The heart of Machiavellian hacking, manipulation isn't evil, it's efficient. According to Machiavelli, the ends always justify the means, no matter how cruel, calculating, or immoral those means might be. In life, manipulate ethically grey areas for advantage. In sales, use scarcity, limited spots left, to close deals. In negotiations, feign disinterest to lower prices. Tech giants like Facebook hack user behavior with algorithms, keeping you scrolling for ad revenue. Zuckerberg embodies the fox, cunning, adaptive. Quote, "It is necessary to be able to disguise this character well and to be a great feigner and dissembler." Personal hack. In arguments, concede minor points to win major ones. With kids or employees, use reverse psychology. Don't do that if you're not ready, to spur action. But caution, overuse breeds distrust. Machiavelli advised balancing with genuine acts to maintain appearances. In finance, hack investments by manipulating perceptions. Buy low when fear reigns, sell high on hype. In health, manipulate habits. Trick yourself with rewards for workouts. This hack accelerates goals, turning obstacles into stepping stones. Word count, approximately 1650. Hack number 5, tame fortune. Adapt or perish. Machiavelli saw fortune as a fickle river. Dam it boldly. Fortune is a woman, and it is necessary, if you wish to master her, to conquer her by force. Hack. Life throws curveballs. Job loss. Breakups. Adapt like water. Lose a job? Pivot to freelancing, using skills in new markets. Example. During COVID, businesses like Zoom hacked by adapting to remote needs, exploding growth. In personal growth, set flexible goals. If plan A fails, have B, C ready. Quote, "The prince who relies upon their words, without having otherwise provided for his security, is ruined." Daily hack. Morning routines for mental agility, meditation, reading. In relationships, adapt to partners' changes. Rigidity breaks bonds. This hack turns luck into strategy, making you anti-fragile. Word count, approximately 1900. Settings. Make the background music ambient, use only generated clips. Use YouTube audio library, only use a male young British voice for the narrator. Hack number 6, bend the rules, without breaking your neck. Games have rules, but winners bend them. Machiavelli. Whenever men are not obliged to fight from necessity, they fight from ambition. Hack ethically. In taxes, use legal loopholes. In career, network internally for promotions, bypassing hierarchies. Amazon hacks regulations with lobbying, expanding empires. Be the fox. Sly, not savage. In ethics, draw lines, manipulate for good, avoid harm. Quote, "Men judge generally more by the eye than by the hand, for all can see but few can feel." Social hack. In crowds, bend norms. Cut lines politely if urgent. This hack accelerates progress, but monitor reputation. Word count, approximately 2150. Hack number 7, sustain your empire, long-term vision. Winning once isn't enough, maintain power. Machiavelli. He who has not first laid his foundations may be able with great ability to lay them afterwards, but they will be laid with trouble to the architect and danger to the building. Hack. Build habits for longevity, health, savings, learning. In career, mentor juniors for loyalty. Bill Gates hacked philanthropy, enhancing legacy post-Microsoft. In relationships, invest continually. Dates, listening. Quote, "There is no other way to guard yourself against flattery than by making men understand that telling you the truth will not offend you." This hack ensures enduring victory. Word count, approximately 24. Go forth, hacker. Bend the game to your will. The board awaits. Final word count, 3000. Settings. Make the background music ambient, use only generated clips. Use a male young British voice for the narrator.